Welcome students. In this video, we will solve 10 important multiple choice questions from basic accounting concepts and principles. This is part 2 of Principles of Accounting. Let's begin. Question 1. The business entity concept states that Option A, business and owner are the same. Option B, business is separate from its owner. Option C, only cash transactions are recorded. Option D, business life is unlimited. The correct answer is option B. Question 2. According to the money measurement concept, accounting records. Option A, qualitative information only. Option B, non-financial information. Option C, financial information only. Option D, personal opinions. The correct answer is option C. Question 3. The going concern concept assumes that the business will Option A, close soon. Option B, earn maximum profit. Option C, continue for the foreseeable future. Option D, change ownership. The correct answer is option C. Question 4. The accounting period concept requires preparation of accounts for Option A, unlimited time. Option B, one transaction. Option C, a specific period. Option D, only at closing. The correct answer is option C. Question 5. Which concept requires matching expenses with revenue? Option A, cost concept. Option B, matching concept. Option C, consistency concept. Option D, conservatism. The correct answer is option B. Question 6. Recording assets at their purchase price is called Option A, market value concept. Option B, revenue concept. Option C, cost concept. Option D, materiality concept. The correct answer is option C. Question 7. The conservatism concept states that Option A, all profits should be recorded. Option B, all losses should be ignored. Option C, anticipate losses but not profits. Option D, ignore uncertainties. The correct answer is option C. Question 8. Which concept ensures uniformity in accounting methods? Option A, consistency. Option B, materiality. Option C, prudence. Option D, dual aspect. The correct answer is option A. Question 9. The materiality concept is related to Option A, size of business. Option B, importance of information. Option C, type of transaction. Option D, accounting period. The correct answer is option B. Question 10. Recording only relevant and significant information is based on Option A, cost concept. Option B, money measurement. Option C, materiality concept. Option D, matching concept. The correct answer is option C. Thank you for watching. For more Principles of Accounting MCQs, like, share, and subscribe to the channel.